Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Learn channel. This is Learn Hindi series. In this first video, we are going to talk about some of the significant facts about the language, and in the subsequent videos, we will see how to write the Hindi script. So, in the world, nearly 600 million people speak the language. So, it is spoken by most of the people in India, and it is one of the India's official languages as well. So nearly 8% of the world population speaks Hindi. Other than India, Hindi is spoken in countries like Nepal, Mauritius, Fiji, Guyana, South Africa, and a few other countries as well. Basically, Hindi is derived from Sanskrit, an ancient language, and Hindi has a rich literary tradition for many centuries. When it comes to the Hindi script is known as Hindi Varnamala, and the script that is used in Hindi language is called as the Devanagari script. So the vowels we call it as swars in Hindi. So there are 13 vowels. The consonants we call Vagnan. There are 33 consonants. That is Vinyan. So apart from this, there are matras which modify the consonants with vowels to form the syllables. Uh, there is an example given here, but we will see it is in a proper form in the subsequent videos. So the first example is ka plus e matra, which is ki. The next one is ka plus e matra, which is ki. So that's about Hindi language. So in the next video, we will see how to write the vowels in Hindi language. Thank you for watching.